Today we talk about how can you disable drink water reminder on your app, on your fasting tracker app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go down here, click on me down here. When you just click on it in first, then it's going to take you to this list. You go above this sign here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do next, so just click here on drink water reminder, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so just come here to drink water reminder notifications. You come to this list here or this sign, so you just click on it. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here drink water reminder disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.